Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Samsung Galaxy A26. So first, in settings, find the battery settings. From here, enable the power saving. I won't be doing it because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. So now go into the display, enable the dark mode, lower brightness or use the adaptive brightness, motion smoothness select standard. From here, screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.